get that open, dig in there. All right, I'm just gonna take one item out at a time. And we can't see anything on this package, so let me see if there's a card. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and put some information on the screen because this writing on this bottle, I can't even see what it says. Soft Salt Glow, it looks like. So it looks like some sort of a body scrub. Let's give it a smell. Oh, well, no smell through there, so. Okay. And we have some Earth Harbor antioxidant cleansing oil. Yay! All right, I love the cleansing oils, face soaps, all that. Okay, let's get this open and take a look at that Earth Harbor. Love it. With sea kelp and papaya enzymes. All right, definitely going to be a keeper. Alrighty, and we have Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. Cleanse, Purify, Exfoliate. This is a 3.5 fluid ounce. All right, love getting my face washes. And this one is another Earth Harbor. I got 2 Earth Harbors. Yay, what's going on? Sweet. All right, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this one is Balancing Gel Hydrator with Marine Probiotics Herbal Complex. This is a 2 fluid ounce. All right, so I don't have a card, and a lot of times I will look the information up and I can tell you about the product while I'm going on with the video, and sorry I did not do that. So I'm going to try to get some information and maybe just flash it across the screen here for you. But that's neat. 2 Earth Harbor products. Yay. Okay. And what is this? This is squished up a little bit. There we go. Let's flatten that out. Hand cream by Misha Beauty. What is special about this? It's got a lot of good ingredients with shea butter, some triglyceride seed oil, jojoba. Yeah, let's open it up. I'll put some hand lotion on. Ooh, ready. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. I actually want to put that all over. Oh, that was nice. Nice lotion. I'll put the prices as well across the screen. Okay, so what else we have in here? Okay, so we have the bag for October with this adorable Halloween theme in purple and black with some snakes and pumpkins. The inside is a, I don't know what the material is. Does it say? Glam Bag Plus is all it says. So let's do a recap. So I paid annually and I caught it, I think before the price went up, but I'm not sure when the price went up, but I know that I didn't pay that much. So mine were like $26 a month that I've been paying all year for these. I don't think I'm gonna get that price this year, but, okay, so you can't actually see those. So let's start again. Let's put them up on this box. So we've got 2 of the Earth Harbor, Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser, this scrub, which I'm going to flash across the screen, looks like a body scrub. Put some information about it there. And then the hand lotion. So I think it was a great deal, especially since I paid $26 per month, people, because I bought it annually. I don't know if they're going to give me that discount, probably not, but still, even if you end up paying $29 including shipping, you know, per month, it's free shipping. So anyway, that's my Ipsy Plus for October of 22. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and in the description I'll put a link if you ever do want to check out Ipsy Plus. And that's it. See you in the next one.